Hey everyone, Amtrak and CSX Wheelfan here, and we got Amtrak Lakeshore 48, close to about to come through close to 11:57, and there he is. I heard we might have, I don't know if my friend's on there, but I heard a lady speaking. I don't know if we have a female engineer, but that would be cool, though. But here it comes anyway. Probably was led by one of our favorite heritage units, 145. Here she goes. Because it sounded like I heard a girl's voice coming from the Amtrak, and then that was awesome if we caught a female engineer.